thrilled. Meaning? Very excited and happy. Sentence. I am thrilled to start my new project. She was thrilled with the surprise party. Grateful. Meaning? Feeling very thankful. Sentence. I am so grateful for your help today. We are grateful for the sunny weather. Optimistic. Meaning? Hopeful about the future. Sentence. He feels optimistic about his English exam. I'm optimistic that things will improve soon. Relieved. Meaning? Relaxed after a worry. Sentence. I was relieved to find my lost keys. She felt relieved after the doctor's visit. Amused. Meaning? Finding something funny. Sentence. She was amused by the clever cartoon. The baby was amused by the colorful toy. Content. Meaning? Happy and satisfied. Sentence. I feel content sitting by the window. They are content with their simple life. Inspired. Meaning? Wanting to create something. Sentence. The sunset made me feel inspired. Her speech inspired me to work harder. Proud. Meaning? Happy with an achievement. Sentence. My parents are proud of my hard work. You should be proud of your progress. Enthusiastic. Meaning? Showing high interest. Sentence. They are enthusiastic about the trip. He's an enthusiastic English learner. Confident. Meaning? Sure of your abilities. Sentence. I feel confident speaking English now. She is confident that she will succeed. Miserable. Meaning? Very unhappy or uncomfortable. Sentence. The cold weather makes me feel miserable. I felt miserable when I had the flu. Heartbroken. Meaning? Feeling deep sadness. Sentence. He was heartbroken when his pet ran away. She was heartbroken by the sad news. Lonely. Meaning? Sad because you're alone. Sentence. I felt lonely in the big city. It's easy to feel lonely on holidays. Disappointed. Meaning? Sad about bad results. Sentence. She was disappointed by the movie. I'm disappointed that it's raining today. Gloomy. Meaning? Sad and pessimistic. Sentence. It's a gloomy day outside. He has been in a gloomy mood all morning. Discouraged. Meaning? Having lost hope. Sentence. Don't feel discouraged. Keep practicing. I felt discouraged after failing the test. Homesick. Meaning? Missing your home. Sentence. I feel homesick when I travel too long. The student felt homesick in the new country. Sorrowful. Meaning? Full of deep grief. Sentence. It was a very sorrowful story. Her sorrowful eyes told the whole truth. Pensive. Meaning? Thinking deeply and seriously. Sentence. He looked pensive as he stared at the rain. She was in a pensive mood after the meeting. Regretful. Meaning? Sorry for the past. Sentence. I am regretful for being late. He gave a regretful look as he left. Furious. Meaning? Extremely angry. Sentence. He was furious about the broken window. I was furious when my flight was canceled. Irritated. Meaning? Slightly annoyed. Sentence. I am irritated by the loud noise. She gets irritated when people are late. Frustrated. Meaning? Annoyed by difficulties. Sentence. Learning grammar can be frustrating. He is frustrated with slow internet. Offended. Meaning? Hurt by rude words. Sentence. She felt offended by his comment. I didn't mean to make you feel offended. Envious. Meaning? Wanting what others have. Sentence. Don't be envious of your neighbor's car. She felt envious of her friend's success.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.